Dengue outbreak in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica declares dengue outbreak. The Minister of Health and Wellness has declared a dengue fever outbreak in Jamaica. In a release Saturday, the ministry said that its national surveillance unit advised them that the island has surpassed the dengue epidemic threshold for July and August and is on a trajectory path to do the same for September. This means that the country has seen an increase in the number of cases compared to what it normally seen during the month of the year, the ministry stated. As of Friday, September 23rd, the country has recorded 565 suspected, presumed, and confirmed cases of dengue, the ministry said. Of that number, 78 cases have been confirmed, with the majority of the cases in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, St. Thomas, according to the release. The ministry said that the dominant strain has not The ministry said that the dominant strain has been dengue type 2, which is one of the deadliest and has not been predominant in Jamaica since 2010. The strain, in addition to fever, can cause 2 or more other symptoms of typical dengue infection and can be fatal. However, there are no dengue-related deaths classified at this time, but 6 deaths are being investigated by the ministry. Dengue is a mosquito-borne disease. The Aedes aegypti mosquito which transmit the disease in the epidemic of Jamaica. Dengue symptoms include fever, headache, muscle and pain, joint fatigue, nausea, and rash. In a small number of cases, the potentially deadly dengue hemorrhagic fever may develop, resulting in internal bleeding, enlargement of the liver with high fever. Jamaica last had a dengue outbreak in 2019.